Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to clean your C drive in Windows 10 without formatting. Cleaning your C drive can help free up valuable disk space and improve the performance of your computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Press the Windows key and the letter I simultaneously to open the Settings app in Windows 10. Then, choose Apps. Step 2. On the Apps and Features page, scroll down to view all the apps currently installed on your computer. To focus on the C drive, you can choose to filter by C drive, C, and sort by size. This will allow you to see how much space each application takes up on your C drive. Step 3. Select the unwanted app that you want to remove and click on the Uninstall button to uninstall it. Solution 2. Step 1. Open the File Explorer and navigate to your C drive. Step 2. In the search box located in the upper right corner, type size gigantic. This command will scan your C drive for all files larger than 128 MB. Step 3. Once the scan is complete, all files larger than 128 MB will be displayed. Select all the unwanted files and delete them. Remember to empty the recycle bin after deleting the files. By following these steps, you can effectively clean your C drive in Windows 10 without formatting. This will help optimize your computer's performance and free up valuable disk space. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please leave a comment below. Happy computing.